Nairobi getting French toast. Tokyo, sake sipping in the robe. Yo, Japan, don't my hope we got toe. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. I got that thing. I got that thing. Yeah, I got that thing.
So this 2022, Wigotcha Lending Corporation did a lot of breakthrough sa buhay ko.
Sa Wigotcha ko natutunan yung business mindset, kung paano mag-manage, kung anong gagawin.
Yung wish ko, sana mas lalo pang mag-grow yung Wigotcha. Mas dumami pa yung mga options kasi pag dumami pa yung options, mas marami pang tao na matutulungan. So ayun, yun naman yung always na goal na.
I feel privileged and lucky na maging part ng YEP today, even though sub-agent pa lang ako. And I'm looking forward na to have more borrowers next year and the coming years. And then I wish more success for Miss Hani and the Wigotcha Fund.
Wigotcha, happy holiday!
Welcome guys sa second ever year-end Thanksgiving party ng Wigotcha Lending Corporation. Ito yung panahon na mapapakita namin yung pagmamahal din namin sa inyo kasi nakikita namin lahat yan at na-appreciate namin yan. Kasi kung hindi naman dahil din sa malasakit ninyo, sa pagmamahal ninyo sa Wigotcha, hindi dahil sa hard work ninyo, hindi tayo ganito ngayon na lumalaki.
Out of all, siguro, opportunities, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-pinagpapasalamat ko kasi isa yun sa mga bagay na ibinigay sa akin this year and napakarami kong natutuhan along the way and at the same time, ang dami kong blessings na natanggap because of Wigotcha.
I'm wishing na sana mas marami yung magkaroon ng opportunity na mabago yung buhay dahil sa patuloy na pagbibigay ng Wigotcha Lending Corporation.
We cannot let our fears hold us back from doing what we love the most.
Alam nyo ba, nung nag-start pa lang yung Wigotcha, ang goal ko lang talaga is, alam mo yon, kumita para makasurvive. Tapos ngayon, iba na yung goal ko. Ang goal ko is lahat ng tao under Wigotcha, kumita ng more than sapat. And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And every other walls of the whole thing. You can be the trade, you can be the best. You can be the chain card hanging on your chest. You can be the girl, you can be the ball. You can turn the champion hanging on the wall. You can